Circle lesson number 1. If you choose a point outside of the circle, point J, and draw two tangent segments to the circle, they're equal distant. So we're going to say that 2x squared plus 4 equals 22. Subtract 4 from each side. 2x squared equals 18. Divide each side by 2. You get x squared equals 9. Therefore, x is plus or minus 3. All right, let's try that again. This time we choose point C outside of the circle. Draw two tangent segments so we know that they're congruent. So we're going to say that x squared plus 2x plus 25 equals 11x plus 5. We're solving for x. Subtract 11x from each side, we get x squared minus 9x. Let's subtract the 5 from each side, plus 20 equals 0. And we end up with a quadratic, so now we're going to factor. We're looking for two numbers. When we multiply them, we get positive 20. When we add them together, we get negative 9. So it looks like negative 4 and negative 5 are going to work for us. So now we set them both equal to 0. So we get x equals 4. And we get x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals 5. This one's going to have two solutions. Both x equals 4 and x equals 5 is going to work. All right, one more time. We're going to use the same rule. If you choose a point outside the circle and draw two tangent segments, we know that they're congruent. This question is asking us to find the perimeter of the circle. So if I choose this point outside the circle, draw two tangent segments to the circle, we know that they're congruent. So if this is 10.5, I know that this is also 10.5. If this is 11.2, I know that this is also 11.2. I call this one the around the corner rule. You're going to carry that number around the corner. We're given that the length of this whole segment is 23.2, so I take 23.2, I subtract my 11.2, and I can see that that one is 12. And I know if that's 12, we're going to use our around the corner rule, carry it around the corner. We know that this is also 12. So to get the perimeter, we're just going to add up all the segments we have. We have 10.5, 10.5, 12, 12, 11.2, and 11.2. So the total of that's going to be our perimeter. I'm going to grab a calculator here. 24 plus 21 plus 22.4. Looks like our perimeter is going to be 67.4. Okay, go ahead on to Schoology and try a few of these problems. Thank you.